right, we're back.
Yeah.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Unboxings.
Yep.
You've got 2 things this week that you're going to
I do.
show off.
Yeah. The first is a laptop travel bag or a computer travel bag by a brand called CONMIGO.
Okay.
This is the ULTI bag.
All right.
So this bag, first let me say it is, they've thought of everything. I feel like there is any kind of feature that you've seen in a laptop bag or a travel bag, this has something akin to it. Mm-hmm. And then also some things that you just never thought of, or I never thought of. It has 2 big pouches on the outside here for kind of like peripherals, maybe a mouse or some cables. It's got a opening here, a mesh kind of opening for like a water bottle. Mm-hmm. It's got multiple spots to clip, if you have like a carabiner to clip keys or something. Yeah. You got your 2 straps here. It comes with a shoulder strap here that
also has a pouch.
Also has a pouch on the front for like a cell phone.
Yep.
Nice padded insert here on that strap. And it's a padded spot, shoulder rest for the pouch.
So this is, what is it? Like a nylon?
It's like a waterproof, water resistant, I think it's canvas. Is it a nylon?
Let me see. Ballistic nylon.
Ballistic
nylon.
There we go. Okay. Yep. And then in here you have another mesh case or a mesh pocket, and then you have a padded pocket here, another padded pocket here.
So you're looking for like laptops or tablets,
something like that. Big open spot for a computer, and then in here you have another case, another big compartment for a device. And then this here is probably one of those features I never would have thought about. But I think it's kind of cool for the right person. Mm-hmm. This is a laptop. It's detachable. A laptop like folio, and it's all padded and everything. But the other thing that this does is it works as a seat cushion. So you can set this on your chair and then sit down.
Okay. So if you're on an airplane, pull it out from underneath.
Get a little bit more cushion. Yeah. And then you also have access. I don't know if you can see this, how this is, but you have access to your computer bag from sitting on it.
And then so then it tucks behind you if you've got it all zipped up as well.
Right.
So then you've got just a little bit of extra padding.
And a little bit more security.
Yeah.
So it's,
if you fall asleep, they have
to go essentially through your legs to get into your bag or something like that.
Just be careful not to sit on your laptop.
Right. That's the only thing is if you are putting your Chromebook or your MacBook or something in here, just remember that it's in here before you go to use this as a seat cushion.
Yeah.
Because that's not covered under the warranty.
So that is big enough. I'm looking online here. It says that that'll hold up to like a 13-inch, 13 or so laptop, Chromebook, MacBook, or whatever.
And then on the back here, it's got a pouch for kind of a slide holder for on luggage.
Yep.
Like
so you pull your handle through
that. Rolling luggage, and that also has a pocket for more stuff.
Ticket,
yeah. Cables,
earbuds.
Like that. Yeah. On the bottom's got some feet for a little bit of traction if you're setting it down, if you need to set it up right. This is actually pretty light for what it is.
Mm-hmm. So it's as you have it there, it's a briefcase.
Yep.
And then with the straps on shoulder,
the shoulder strap,
then it becomes a messenger bag.
Messenger style bag, yeah.
Nice.
And these are it's a nice quality kind of
it looks
attachment.
Right.
It's well made. Looks like it's not gonna, this isn't flimsy.
Right.
Metal, or it's not plastic that'll snap.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's all high test plastic if it is plastic, or it's metal. So it looks quality. We haven't, this is something it's just an unboxing, so we haven't actually put time into it to really know how it functions.
Well,
but
I'm not traveling. So
yeah,
I
we're not traveling
kick the tires on that one as much.
We have traveled before, and how much do you have to say about a bag?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's
does it have enough pockets?
Does it have enough for what I need? And does it hold the stuff I need to hold securely? I would say yes and yes.
Because this shows 11 interior compartments.
Yeah.
And 5 exterior.
Yep.
So there's something for everything.
Yeah. I mentioned that sitting on your computer is not covered under warranty. That's true, but this does have a lifetime warranty.
Awesome.
So if for some reason you're using it and that padding rips off,
zipper starts to give out.
Yep, and it says these are handmade. So it said there might be slight imperfections or something because they are handmade, but it's all covered under a lifetime warranty. This is cool. It's a cool bag. I saw the seat padding feature and I thought it was slightly gimmicky.
Sure.
But given time thinking about it, I can see situations where that might be nice. If you like working from a coffee shop and those are just regular kind of hard seats, that could be nice after a couple hours. If you need to sit down, it's you don't really carry a pad for your seat because you don't have one. But if you had one with you all the time, might use it.
Yeah, there are plenty of working lunches that you end up somewhere like a cafeteria or a coffee shop that's just got a solid wood seat that just having a little bit of foam or something between you and that seat would be great to have.
Right. So yeah, this is the ULTI bag. ULTI bag, sorry, not ULTA. ULTI bag from CONMIGO. We'll have links to where you can get it and everything in the description.
What does that run?
What is the price on that? It's $158.
Okay. Yep. So that's not bad. I've seen a higher price on just like a backpack.
Yeah.
Or a messenger bag. So
that's one of those things. I think bags are one of those things that the price it's hard to pinpoint for me in my mind. Like it could go anywhere from $50 to $200, and I don't know.
And it all makes sense,
right?
Yeah.
So, $160 for something as utility as that, I don't think that's bad, especially with a lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
You pair that, you spend $160, and conceivably you're not going to have to buy another thing.
Sure.
You shouldn't have to.
Yeah, and that's the type of thing, kind of like headphones, where if you get a decent one, you don't have to replace it very often.
Right.
So it might be worth buying a good one instead of a so-so 2 or 3.
Right.